Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Enrichments. So today we are going to learn about some types of changes. So today's topic is some types of changes, and today we are going to learn about physical changes and chemical changes. Come on, we'll move into the topic of today. So what are some types of changes? There are two types of changes, and they are physical change and chemical change. Come on, we'll dive into more information about physical and chemical changes. First, physical change. A change in which no new substance is formed is known as physical change. So, for example, whenever you take a dough, right? So, whenever you shape them into like circle balls like that, and when you roll them, mm, it will turn into the shape of a chapati. Can you again turn it into dough? Yes. You can just fold them and you can again make them into the circles. So in the process with which like only the substance changes but no new object is formed. This is known as physical change. Yeah, and some of the examples are rolling dough and similarly freezing of water, drying of clothes, breaking of glass bottle, and there are many examples. So, evaporation and condensation are all of water are also physical changes, as we can change them into different states. And even when we put air in the balloon, you can also take it back. And this is also physical change. Come on, now we'll move into a chemical change. Chemical change. A change in which one or more new substances are formed is known as chemical change. So, whenever after rolling the dough and shaping them into chapati, if you put them on the pan and fry them, and after you're done with making the chapati, can you again make it into dough? No, you can't, because we already cooked it. So you can't again make it into a chapati. I mean dough. So this is a chemical change, like in the process by which the substance also changes and new product is also formed. It's known as chemical change. And it may be one or more new substances which can be formed. And burning of paper, rusting of iron nail, ripening of fruits are some examples of chemical changes. And so it's like a substance changes and new products formed. So it's not as chemical change. Hooray! You finished a chapter. This is the end of a chapter. Thank you.